Okay, this is an exceptionally beautiful passage from Savitri. I like, whenever I read Savitri, I keep thinking, how can a human mind write like this? But then I remember it's a God writing, it's not because it's just so exceptionally beautiful. So these lines he's talking about when an artist, Arshia here is an artist, when an artist is drawing something, Mona too, when you're doing the first sketches, it looks like nothing, no? And if somebody looks at it, they'll say, what is this? This is not art. But the artist has an intuition of what is to emerge from the initial sketches which make no sense. So this passage in Savitri, Sri Aurobindo is saying creation is like an artwork. All the chaos we are going through are those sketchy lines the artist God has drawn. And our reason is looking at it and saying, what is this? This makes no sense. But the artist's intuition knows exactly what form has to come out finally. And what is the art that is going to come out of creation finally? So that's what these lines are. This is on page 100. An attempt, a drawing half done, is the world's life. Its lines doubt their concealed significance. So each of us are a line, right? And we doubt our own concealed significance. The artist God has sketched us, and while the sketching is happening, we are doubting what we are all about. What is our significance? Where is it going to lead? Its curves join not their high intended close. So suppose you are making an art which has an arch or a circle. You draw curves. In the preliminary stages, the curves don't join. They just look discrete and they don't make sense. Its curves join not their high intended close. Yet some first image of greatness trembles there. So beautiful. So in the curves and lines of the initial sketch, some first image of greatness trembles there, because that is also God. I don't know how to even explain it. It's too beautiful. But are you getting what it means? Yes? Yet some first image of greatness trembles there. And when the ambiguous crowded paths have met, so there are discrete curves and lines which don't make sense, but some image of greatness trembles there. And when the ambiguous crowded paths have met, as the artwork goes towards completion and the curves and lines join and meet, the many-toned unity to which they moved. So all these curves and lines in terms of art are moving towards a many-toned unity, the oneness of the spirit to which they moved. The artist's joy shall laugh at reason's rule. So when the artwork is complete, the artist will laugh at our reasoning, which says this makes no sense. Why is it like this? It shouldn't be like this. So the artist is God. The artist's joy shall laugh at reason's rule. The divine intention suddenly shall be seen. So the artist's divine intention suddenly shall be seen. The end vindicate. Vindicate means, what's the word for vindicate? Rama, help me out. Vindicate is to set free in a sense, or justify. The end vindicate, justify intuition's sure technique. So God's intuition, this whole creation is from God's artistic intuition. So the end shall justify it. Aren't these gorgeous lines? Do you get them? They are just so beautiful. I'm reading them again. An attempt, a drawing half done, is the world's life. Its lines doubt their concealed significance. Its curves join not their high intended close. Yet some first image of greatness trembles there. And when the ambiguous crowded paths have met, the many-toned unity to which they moved, The artist's joy shall laugh at reason's rules. The divine intention suddenly shall be seen. The end vindicate intuition's sure technique.